Hey there friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a Google Docs document to a USB flash drive. So first step is to open up our web browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome and navigate to docs.google.com. So after a few seconds, it should load up. Find the document you want to save. In this case, it's this one. And then I'll click on File. I'll click on Download. And then you can choose the format you want to download this in. For my use case, I'm going to be saving it as a PDF document. So I'm going to click on that and it should start downloading. So as you can see, it has been downloaded and we can navigate to the folder very quickly by clicking on the small folder icon here. So now that I have the document, I'm going to right click and then click on this small icon to copy it. And now I'm going to be plugging in my USB device or hard drive. There we go. It's automatically been opened. And now I'm going to right click on an empty space here. Then I'm going to click on this other icon to paste it. And now that that's done, once it's been copied, you can safely remove your USB or hard drive. You can also eject by going to the system tray and clicking here. Although most of the time, as long as it's finished copying and there's nothing running right now in the Windows Explorer window, you can safely remove it physically. So that's what I'm going to do. And it automatically closes. So that's how you can save a Google Docs document to a USB drive. So I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.